Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Simply Nai, and today I'm going to show you how I maintain and organize my kitchen, and I have a really few tips that have worked for me and I hope they work for you as well. The first tip is I have a routine I follow in the kitchen and I try as much as possible to stick on that routine. How do I stick on my routine? I use sticker notes as visual reminders that really help me stay on track. The second tip that I have is I divide tasks into smaller and manageable chunks like you're going to see in this video. So my third tip is I always get rid of items I no longer need or use. So, and in this corner I have, these are my baby's bottles. This is salt and this is sugar. So that's it. That's the side or the corner. And then here, these are the two sinks where I wash my utensils. This is where I put clean utensils that I put them here for drying. I like air drying my utensils. And then here, that's where I have the ingredients for tea spices and also the spices for food, and also down there. So, and also these are the plates that I use to cook on the gas down, and I have this where I have instructions that I follow, or the person that usually comes to help me sometimes follows. Here we cook food, and after cooking food you're supposed to clean the kitchen walls. These kitchen walls, I mean this side, that part, because we don't have the filter. And then you clean the kitchen walls inside and outside, and also you clean the cooker plates immediately after cooking. That's required. And then I realized this helps me like keep a clean house. And then I have this is for washing dishes. So with the washing dishes, I have cleaned the utensils rack, put and organize utensils in order, wash the bucket and clean utensils, wash utensils, clean the kitchen cabinets and organize the kitchen cabinets themselves. So this is why I put it here. It's my small kitchen, and I feel like here I'm comfortable. I want to add in more things if I get money. I want to buy a gas cooker, and also there's like a kitchen organizer where I will be putting the other spices, and also get rid of where I put the cups. And also on that kitchen organizer, all this, I will not have all this. I will be able to put these and also the spices. So please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you so much.